Typography is one of the foundations of good design, and you can use fonts to help communicate your message effectively. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through some font tips to make your designs better and easier to understand.
Here we have some simple type combinations. So Stephen Stables, it needs to convey a business that is strong, rugged, and friendly. Which of these best conveys those words from a typography and font standpoint? I would say the right conveys those words, strong, rugged, and friendly, more than the left. The left feels a little bit more feminine. It's using a serif font, and I'll teach you more about that in a minute. It just doesn't give those feelings off of strong, rugged, and friendly nearly as much as the font on the right. Again, you're communicating with the font choices that you make. What are some font choices that you'll typically see in Canva? Serif fonts, sans serif fonts, slab serif font, and cursive and script. They each have a different personality. You may also mix and match some of these depending on where you're communicating. But I want you to take a look at this and think, what fonts am I currently using? And are they relaying the communication and the messaging that I want? You want to limit the use of cursive and capitals in large blocks of text or paragraphs. They are really hard to read. So cursive and capitals should only be used for short headlines. You want to choose very readable fonts. Remember, somebody is probably looking at graphics that you create for a split second. If they cannot read it, they are going to move on. The script font on the left, while it is a beautiful font, I can't read what those words say exactly. So that would not be a good font choice. The one on the right is very easy to read. That's considered a sans serif font. You want to choose fonts that go well together. The three fonts on the left, they're all very unique. They have similar weight and they are kind of competing against one another. They don't visually go together well. But the one on the right, you can clearly see the visual hierarchy. The top font would be your headline. The middle font would be great for body copy and subheads. And then the bottom font could be used as an alternate headline.
Click the link in the description below for a free one-page brand guide template in Canva. Follow Crye Studio for more graphic design and Canva tutorials. Thanks so much.